Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, parking sensors, luxury package 3, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.